Here's why you're probably leaving multiple six figures on the table per year. Let me make that clear. If you're making 80 grand, you're probably leaving 50, 100, 150 grand per year on the table. And by the way, if you're watching this video and you're like, there's no way somebody's in that position, then great. That means you're the lucky one and you've gone past that. But for those of you who is like, wait a second, I know Python, I know Java, I know C++ or C#, and I'm making 80 grand a year, 60 grand a year. This is for you, because the truth is you are severely underpaid. And now that we are heading into the world of data, then the good news here is that you can go not just to your next job, but to a better job. And all you have to do is upskill and do a little bit of tweaks to your skills gap and your resume. So for those of you that don't know me, my name is Chris Garzone. I'm the founder and CEO of Data Engineer Academy. We've been at this for 3 years, helped over 1,000 people transition into higher paying data roles. I myself was a data engineer at Amazon, at Lyft, at a few startups. I invested in some data companies myself. And our mission here at Data Engineer Academy is to help people just like you, tech professionals, upskill their skill sets in the data space so that you can be future-proof and ready to go in this new era of AI. So let's jump into it, because in this video, I'm going to show you, a Java developer, a Python developer, why it is that you're underpaid and how is it that you can, boom, accelerate your career to the next level as quickly as possible. So part one, the reason that Java developers or Python developers, anybody that has object-oriented programming language is at a huge advantage is because you already have a lot of the conceptual knowledge that is needed to be a great data engineer. For example, you probably already understand APIs, microservices, distributed systems, multi-threading. You know how to use GitHub, you know how to put PRs in place, right? You know, push documentation out to other engineers that are actually formatted the correct way. You have all of these foundational skills that software engineers know, and yet most data engineers might not actually know it. So here's a little fun fact. Way more than 50% of the current data engineers out there don't even have a computer science background. They typically come from an analyst background or a math background or an economics background, and they just figured out that data was important and they were able to go with the flow. But you might actually have a comp sci background or some sort of object-oriented programming language knowledge that is able to get you there as quickly as possible, right? So the benefit is that you've already done 70% of the work to get there,